What's up, guys? Godzilla back again. Today we're going to the dyno. I know it's a video that a lot of people have been anticipating, myself included. The dyno is all-wheel drive dyno. It's a Dynocom dyno. I'm recording this intro the day after, so I will tell you up front that the beginning of the video we're using all-wheel drive, but then during about the middle of the session, one of the drive belts that connects the two rollers started coming apart pretty much. So in order to actually finish, I basically pulled the all-wheel drive fuse and we finished up in rear-wheel drive. So I guess the power ratings are probably a little higher than they would be for all-wheel drive, but it's still wheel horsepower and the car's primarily rear-wheel drive anyway. So anyway, let's roll the intro and let's get into it. Rear-wheel drive Skyline, yeah. thanks for watching, guys. I am going to be doing some videos coming up that are going to be, just driving around and enjoying the car and getting used to how it drives and seeing how it acts to little certain, half throttle, or just getting used to the new car. So for the power ratings, I'm pretty satisfied. Of course, more power is always better, to be like, yeah, I made that much power. But if I think about it, for basically 3 or 4 pounds of boost in a turbo upgrade, I made 120, 140 wheel horsepower more than I was. So can't complain there. Still planning to do the cams and head studs, and then might go flex fuel. I'm not sure. If I do that, I'll have to replace the fuel lines and stuff, so that's kind of a big project. If that's not what I end up doing, then I'll be doing the meth injection, just so I can up the boost and have some knock deterrent. So yeah, that's the plan for winter, but for now, I'm just going to try and enjoy the car and go to some meets and maybe take it to the drag strip and see what it does. So yeah, check out my Instagram and my Facebook. If you follow those, you'd know that I already posted the results of the dyno, so you can get a head start, I guess, on the YouTube if you follow those. Also, on my way to the dyno, I was at a stoplight, and a random person came up to me in their car and was like, "Hey, I watch your videos all the time. They're awesome." And that made me feel really good, and that was awesome. And if you're watching this video, say hi in the comments below. Appreciate everyone watching the videos, and it makes me feel good when people tell me, they enjoy them and stuff. So anyway, guys, till next time, see you.